Hey guys, so while I was getting my Botox done, don't tell anybody, I came across this really huge opportunity. So my doctor who was injecting me he knew that we do Airbnb, so he offered me the opportunity of fixing his place up and doing it. Very excited. It's a 4-bedroom. It is located in the Bel Air area of Houston. Not sure if you're familiar or not, but it's really close to the medical center and it's very close to the Galleria and downtown. All the top spots in Houston. Plus it's a 4-bedroom and it has a pool. Awesome. So with that, I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna do some research. I will make a video of the process of the research that I'm doing to let you guys know kind of how I do it and the things that I look for when running comps essentially for the Airbnb to see if it would be better off to do Airbnb or rental. More than likely it's going to be Airbnb. It's going to win, always has. My current Airbnb makes around $100,000 a year, and with his being a 4-bedroom and a pool and the location is very nice and the setup is perfect, I'll give you guys a look here in a second. I think he can do just about the same, if not more. So I'll keep you updated.